Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon on you. We'll solve a problem which you are seeing on the screen. This problem is taken from NCERT book of class 10. What is the problem? Let's see. Solve root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation we have to solve. Solve means we have to find the value of x. So what we'll do, first we'll try to make in a factor form. So we'll try to this is a factor form. For this we can apply the splitting middle term process. So for splitting middle term process, what will we do? We'll do first the multiplication of first term and the last term. So if we multiply the first term and last term, the digit, then what will you get? So root 2 multiply with 5 root 2. So here we'll get 5 multiply root 2 and root 2, it will be 2. So root will be out, we know that. So 5 into 2, that will be 10. So we got last and first multiply is 10. So we have to split the middle term, the 7x, so that their sum and sum with match with the 7x and their product also with match with this 10, and x square is there, so it will be x square. So 10 we can split, 7 we can split into 5 plus 2, and their product also 10. Check, 5 into 2 is 10. So let's see, write the next line. So root 2x square plus 7 we can write 5x plus 2x and then 5 root 2. So we apply splitting middle term process. Again I'm saying how it's coming. So check, 5x plus 2x, that's equals to 7x, and their product 5x into 2x, that will be 10x square. It's matching with the last and first multiplier, what will got 10x square. Okay, this is the first step of splitting middle term. So next, to make it factorize, so we have to take the common between the first two terms. So here we can take common x. How? Let's see. So here root 2x square, that means root 2 is there and x square means 2x is there. Okay, and 5x mean 5 and x. So you can see what is the common in both terms. So here x is common, here also x is common, so we can take x as a common. So x is common for the first term, so what will left here, we can see here root 2x left, root 2x, so we can write here root 2x plus, out of 5x, x is common, so here 5 is left, so we can write here 5. Now between next two term we have to take common. Okay, so what will be common here, let's see. So here 2x and here 5 root 2. In generally we cannot see anything is common is going here, so we have to find it. Okay, so root 2x we can write, 2x we can write, 2x we can write, 2 means we can write root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, that is 2, and here is x, and in the second term is 5 root 2. Now we can see something is common here, something is in both terms. Root 2 is here also, root 2 is here also, so we can take common root 2. So root 2 is common, so in this 2x root 2 is common, so what is left here, we can see here this root 2 is common, so left is root 2x, so we can write here root 2x plus, so root 2 is common, so root 2 is out, so what is left here, 5, so we can write here 5, that's equals to 0. Now see here root 2x plus 5 here also, root 2x plus 5 here also. So we can take common this whole term. Okay, so take is common, so root 2x plus 5, and if we take the common root 2x plus 5 here, so what is left? X is left here. Okay, and if we take common this part, so what is left here? Root 2. So we can write x plus root 2, that's equals to 0. Now you can see here, this is the product of two terms, and if the product of two terms equals to 0, so we can write either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So we can write from here root 2x plus 5 equals to 0, or we can write x plus root 2 equals to 0. So from here we try to find the value of x. So plus 5, if you go to right side of the equation, it will be minus 5. So from here we can write x equals to 5 by root 2, 5 by root 2. Okay, so we got the on value of x. This is the quadratic equation, that means it should have two solutions. So one solution we got, so from the next term, next equation, we can get the another solution. So from here we can write x equals to minus 2. So we got the two solution of this quadratic equation. One is x equals to minus 5 by root 2, and another x equals to minus root 2. I hope you have understood this solution. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask question. Thank you for watching.